Hey guys, today we're going to talk about two SPACs. The first one is RTP, which is Reid Hoffman and Mark Pincus's SPAC. The next one is BFT, Paysafe, taking Paysafe public. I made a video about Paysafe, I think 2 or 3 weeks ago. I'm going to just, talk a little bit more about Paysafe and why I'm so bullish on it. But before we get started, consider subscribing. If you haven't yet already, give me a thumbs up. It really helps out the channel. Check out my links in the description below for free stocks with Webull, free money with Cash App. Really helps out the channel and supports the channel when you use my links in the description below. Thank you very much, guys. Let's get started. So Reid Hoffman and Zynga's Mark Pincus, they have raised $600 million for a tech-focused SPAC. Here's the management team, Reid Hoffman and Mark Pincus. So Mark Pincus, he is the founder and executive chairman of Zynga. If you don't know what Zynga is, where have you been? Zynga is a massive company. They are big in the mobile gaming space. They have big, huge titles like Farmville, Words with Friends, Toy Blast, just to name a few. Reid Hoffman, he is the co-founder of LinkedIn. He's a serial entrepreneur and investor, very big, very well connected. So these two guys, they are very well connected, very well funded, and so this SPAC is a pure play on the management team. Strong management company will do good things, bring good companies to the public market, and really not overpay for a company. So since there is no official word on their target, this is a play on the management team. But with that said, let's see what I think and what the rumor floating around is. What they're going to take public is Roblox. So I know this is just a rumor, so take it for what it is. But Roblox delayed their IPO until next year. Why did they do that? Well, they saw Airbnb and DoorDash go IPO this year. Immediately after those IPOs, the stock price rocketed. And so, Roblox is reevaluating what they're actually worth. And so, they are delaying their IPO until next year. And the rumor is that they might not choose to take an IPO route. They might take the SPAC route. And the fact that this SPAC has Mark Pincus again with Zynga, the rumor could be that they decide to go with a SPAC route, and in particular this SPAC, RTP, because it has Mark Pincus and he knows his way around the online gaming, mobile gaming and online gaming internet play. So that is the rumor. But regardless of what company they take public, with this management team, whatever they do take public, it is going to be a good company. So RTP, they closed at $11.70, which is a little, it's moving up, but I think it is still a decent price to get in, especially with this management team on board. But what's more interesting to me is the warrants, the RTP warrants. They're actually down nearly 11% today, compared to being up 1.21% on the actual common stock. So that's what I'm more interested in, is the warrants. Mainly because for the same amount of money you could get more warrants. There is $3.17 per warrant versus $11.70 for the common stock. So if you could get more warrants and this price shoots up when there is an announcement who they're going to take public, the warrants will move. Warrants typically could move 20, 30, 40% on one single day. So if you have more warrants, that's just more bang for your buck that you could make and turn around money really quick. So that is what I'm more interested in. And so here is my portfolio. Like I said, I'm open sharing my portfolio with you guys. My battery is low. So you wrap this up really quick. So 200 shares so far of RTP warrants. Let me close this real quick. Sorry about that, and get that out of the way. I got filled at $3.11. I have another order to buy another 100 shares of the warrants. See if we get filled on that tomorrow. On another portfolio I purchased $300 worth of RTP warrants at $3.25. So that's my really quick overview about RTP, and whatever company they take public, it's going to be massive. But if it's Roblox, it will be even more massive. Next one is BFT. So I made a video about 2 weeks ago about BFT stock and merging with Paysafe. So I think this company, even though it is moving up, the stock is moving up slowly. I think it is being overlooked. They are the payment processor behind massive names like Fortnite, Twitch, Spotify. They do online gaming, online gambling is going to be massive moving into 2021, into 2022, as more and more states allow and legalize online gaming, online sports betting. DraftKings, Bet365, William Hill, Betfair. These are all the big names in online sports betting and online gaming. Of course, Twitch, Fortnite, and Spotify as well. They also do the payment processing for Roblox. This is the thing behind the thing. They do all the payment processing. So they, people haven't really heard of Paysafe because they're not very big in the consumer space. The big names in the consumer space that people use to transfer money to their friends and family is like Cash App, Venmo, PayPal. But this Paysafe is very underlooked because it's not a household name. People don't really hear about Paysafe. I mean, nobody has heard of Paysafe until this merger news came about. I think it's going to be massive, and I think it's being overlooked. It's trading at $14.63. It is moving up, but I think it has not rocketed yet, and I think it is due to skyrocket, in my opinion. So right now at $14.63, I think still is a decent position. It's not a best time. Maybe it'll retract back down to the $13 range, and if it does, I'm interested in picking up more shares in the $13 range. But at the $14.63 range, it's a hold for me. But it is still when this thing does take off, I think it could shoot well into $20. It could do that in one single day. So for me, I am purchasing warrants as well as common shares on this one. So currently on the warrants, I am up 39.60%, and on the common shares, I'm up $11.70. I have almost $1,200 in the warrants, and I have $731 in the common shares. I am interested in putting probably another $400 to $500 in combined. Most likely I'll try to get warrants. Like I said, warrants just move up faster. You just look at here, 39% on the warrants versus 11% on the common stock. So guys, that's my position. That's my portfolio. And I hope you guys find value in me showing you my positions, going over what I think is going to happen with these two SPACs. So give me a thumbs up. It really helps out the channel. Check out my links in the description below. Sign up for Webull, get free stocks. It helps me out, and I really appreciate it. I hope you have a fantastic holiday. Merry Christmas to you guys that celebrate. Have an awesome week. Have an awesome weekend, and Happy New Year. If I don't see you, have a good one. Peace.